Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 1977 Land Rover 101 FC you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this 101 forward control, and then we'll go out driving. Ignition on, you can hear the electric fuel pump going. Fires up nicely. And there we go. Next up, driving. Okay, so here we are out in this 101 forward control. Trundling along quite happily. Beautifully torquey Rover 3.5 litre V8 engine. Trundles down the road with no misfiring or hesitancy. I would say no overheating. I don't think it is overheating, but oh, actually no, the temperature gauge is starting to work now, as is the fuel gauge. Because I was going to say they aren't working, but they are now. Actually no, let me get that right. Fuel gauge isn't working, water temperature gauge is working, and oil temperature gauge is working. Speedo, however, isn't, and it's showing 19,248 miles. Previous owner insisted to us that was correct, although he didn't tell us the speedo wasn't working, so how it can be correct, God only knows. But it probably is a low mileage example, in fairness. Most of them are. And as I say, it's they're not the easiest thing in the world to drive, but they're quite rewarding when you get it right. You're really only supposed to do a maximum of 40 miles an hour in these, according to the army labels on them, but I think we're probably doing about that now. But yeah, just quite happy. Burbles along nicely. Steering's not too bad. It will take a bit of getting used to if you're not used to Land Rovers, because they are steering is a little bit vague, but they are all like this, in fairness. Let my foot off the throttle sharply, there's no backlash in the transmission. Fine under braking. Gearbox is nice on it. And I think there we have it. Just really rather good. It's in great condition, actually. Anyway, I hope you like that. I certainly did. Good.